So, hi guys! This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. So, today vlog is I'm going to unboxing my um, order. Ayan guys, I bought something, bags, or because I have a bag from Denmark. I bought, this is almost 5 years old today. So, ayan guys. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. Ayan guys, let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't
So
fade.
guys, so there we go guys. So I show you my old bag. Ayan. This is my favorite for everyday guys. Ayan. Very simple and very small. Even it's no name. Yeah, they have a name, but even it's not so expensive. So I love it. Ayan. Very comfortable. It's so easy to bring it every day. Ayan. Ganyan lang guys. Because very useful for this with me. I'm using always what, for example, I bring my key, only my wallet, and telephone. So, ayan. Because I have 3 dogs. So, very easy, no? So much easy and so easy to carry. Ayan, guys, di ba? So, ayan. So, the reason why I bought a new, ayan, guys, because it's starting to ruin. Ayan. Maganda ang loob niya guys. At napaka-easy. Ayan. At ang aking wallet is very convenient. So convenient na ilagay sa loob. Ayan. Diba? So ayan, ipakita ko sa inyo guys na in order ko is almost the same but different color. So ayan guys, this is almost 5 years old. So ayan, so kaya kailangan na natin siyang palitan. Pwede pa naman siyang gamitin. So, Rise and Tell. This is the Rise and Tell bag. Ayan, yan ang name niya. The Rise and Tell bag. Di ba? So ayan guys, yung kanyang name. Rise and Tell bag. So ayan. Kaya bumili rin tayo ngayon ng bago. So ayan guys. So dumating na ang aking in-order. So my order is already came today. Ayan. So that's why I'm excited. So buksan na natin and let's see what is inside. Ayan guys, ha? So, ayan guys, excited much. So ayan yung ating old bag. Let's put here. Let's open now. Or let's unboxing the new one. Ayan, diba? So guys, ayan, I bought this in Rice and Tal company. Ayan. So ayan mga kalindog, I will show you the receipt. Ayan, starting, ayan, ang kanyang receipt. Ayan guys, oh. This is the receipt. So, ang resibo is, I bought, I don't know how much I bought. I think this is only a 20 euro. No? So, ayan mga kalindog, let's try. Oh my God! Mga kalindog, it's it's really the same. Ayan guys. Or, ayan, let's see that guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I am excited. Let's see what is it. So, ayan. OMG! Ayan mga kalindog. It's really that. Ayan, siyang siya. It's really the same. But I think, ayan, it's the same size and the same big. Ayan. So, let's see guys. Tignan natin ang loob. Ayan. So, I will show you mga kalindog kung paano ang loob. So, ayan, no? Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang loob. So, ayan siya, ganyan siya, di ba? So, really like that. OMG, it's almost the same, right? This is only a black and this is a orange. So, ayan mga kalindog, let's try. Open natin. So, of course, ayan, may zipper siya. Diba? And let's see our inside. So, ayan mga kalindog. And of course, meron siyang pang, for example, you need to put in the, in your shoulder like this, the belt. I will show you also what is it. So, this is the shoulder, from shoulder, guys. Ayan mga kalindog, diba? Pahabaan nyo. And, ayan ang kanyang loob. OMG. So, ayan, diba? At of course, meron din siyang secret zipper or secret pocket inside. Ayan, almost the same. So, yung mga kalindog, so, kasya din sa kanya ang aking wallet. So, ayan, i-try natin. So, ayan, o, diba? So, almost always the same. So, yung pakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung paano naman ilagay ang shoulder. Ayan, guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang paano ilagay ang shoulder na belt. So, ayan, ilalagay lang siya both side. Ayan, like this. So, yung mga kalindog, diba? Nakita nyo, ayan. Both side. So, ayan, guys. So, you can make also this, you can make it long or shorter, like that. So, ayan, for example, na, ayan, how to bring it. Ayan, ganyan lang, guys, kung paano siya dalhin. Ayan, diba? So, you can bring like that, or easy like this. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang pahabaan, mga kalindog. You can make longer. So, for example, like this. Ayan, di ba? So, longer. So, it's almost the same for my old bag, guys. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Nawala tayo. Ayan, guys. The same, meron din siyang ganyan, guys. So, di ba? Meron din siyang ganyan. Kaodo. So, by the way, this is it. Ayan, mga kalindog. Diba? So, at meron pa siyang, I order also the small one, mga kalindog. Meron siyang parang wallet. Ayan, ha? Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, this one. So, I think this one is 9 euro. Ayan. So, ayan guys, this is 9 euro. So, parang wallet style naman siya, guys. Ayan. So, maganda rin siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung style niya. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ganito siya. Ganito yung tsura niya, di ba? Ayan. Both side is different. And ayan, sinasara siya ng ganyan. Or you can put this like that. It's like a wallet size siya, mga kalindog. So, ayan. So, this they called mini bag. But actually, you can use this like lagayan ng coins. So, ayan guys. I am happy and so content with my new bags again, no? So, ayan mga kalindog. Like what I said, ayan, don't forget to smile. Ayan, I hope that you enjoy my new video again. Ayan guys. Thank you, Court. Thank you to all my members, Kevin, Bakerstock, and Belly Buttons, and all my members, and all my friends, Cindy Lab, ayan si Cecil, and of course si who knows pa ba, ayan yung mga friends ko na always nandyan, at saka oh I forget, Christine Vlog, and Christy, ayan, so thank you so much guys. So until next time, bye, don't forget to smile.